When you're all done, you just go upright. That's all there is to it. Great little device. I've had this for over 30 years. This thing has saved my butt on many occasions. It's called an OrthoPod. I've got two bad discs, L5 and L6, compressed discs, and I've had back problems all my life. And I have this little inversion machine here that really helps. It helps me a lot. I do exercises on it, back extension, crunches, all kinds of things. And I'll go ahead and show you what I use it for most every morning. This is just a short little video to show you something that I do in the morning, not only to exercise, but also, having had a bad back most of my life, some compressed discs. This helps extend the spine. It's kind of like hanging from your ankles, but it's a lot easier to get in and out of, and effectively does the same thing. Also allows you to do ab exercises and back extensions. So you climb into this thing. It's called an OrthoPod. And you rest up against this, and you just lean over and you go upside down like this, and then you just hang. And this really stretches your back out. And while you're hanging upside down like this, you can turn, stretch, and loosen your spine, push on your, like a chiropractor might. But you can do back extensions, which are great exercises. You can do upside down curls, ab exercises, which are great. You can do them sideways. And then you can just hang and relax. When you're all done, you just go upright. That's all there is to it. Great little device. I've had this for over 30 years. So I went looking for the company that made this thing, and it seems that they're not in business anymore. I did find a used one on eBay, but I did find one other machine on the market like this one. And while I'm not trying to sell you anything, it's available on Amazon. It's not cheap. It's about $550, but I'll put a link to it in the description. But this OrthoPod has saved my life over the years. I've been laid out for weeks at a time with a bad back, and it was originally recommended by my chiropractor and kind of put him out of a job. If you think something like this might help you, don't just run out and buy it. Although if you do get it from Amazon, you can return it. That's the good thing. The Amazon listing has a ton of pictures that shows all the different exercises and a video or two. And if you have any questions about whether you think something like this might help you and you really want to spend $550, email me and we can talk about it. In the meantime, take the rest of the day off. Go eat some meat.